Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to use keyboard as a mouse. Guys, it's not much difficult, right? Few settings need to change in your PC. Let's get started. Guys, first click the Windows button in your PC and type Control Panel. Yeah, then it's get it. And click on ease of access. Before going this, the view by category should be only the category, not more than large icons, small icons. If you use the category, then it will be easy to get the access of easy of access. And click on easy of access. uh, I- uh, then click on change how your mouse works here. Yeah, that's it. Are you visible? Control the mouse with the keyboard. Click on the checkbox which is turn on mouse keys and click setup mouse keys. Yeah, once you click the setup mouse keys, it will redirect to the setup mouse keys, right? Then you can turn on mouse keys. The turn on mouse keys checkbox should be the enable. It will use the numeric keypad to move the mouse around the screen, right? It will go out keyboard shortcut. Turn on mouse keys with left alt plus left shift plus numlock. It's much difficult, right? No need to go in that scenario. Just go and switch on the numlock and off the numlock. That is enough to access the mouse by using the numeric. Then go into the pointer speed. The top speed should be the low high, as you wish. You can keep that high and fast of the acceleration. And next, hold on the control to speed up and shift to slow down. It will be uses through the pointer speed according to the your choice. Yeah, next other settings should be use mouse keys when numlock is on or off. It's your category. It depends on you which type of category you want to choose. And then click on apply and click OK. Right now, I will show an example. Right, please wait. Yeah, just now I locked the numlock and I'm clicking on number 8. It's going up, right? The cursor will moving up. When I clicking on number 2, its cursor will move down. When I'm clicking the cursor number 7, it will go diagonally left. If I click on number 3, it will go diagonally by backward. If I click number 1, it goes down as diagonal. If I click number 9, the cursor will move upward. And one more thing, the number 5 should be used as a enter button. Then I will move upward and I click on number 5, enter. It will close the window. See, that's it. That's it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If any queries regarding this video, drop your query in the comment section. I will reply to your query. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to click on bell icon to get the regular updates about my new videos. Thanks for joining this video. Stay safe and Jai Hind.